This is Rosetta Stone for Julia. Okay, ready? Rosetta, Zetta, Zetta. Lots of what? Letters, letters, letters in Greek and Egyptian, Egyptian, Egyptian. Put together, together, together. 3 different scripts on the stone, one each group can call their own. Can you say demotic? Good job. The demotic seems really simple. Simple. Used in where? Egypt. By most all people. For the rulers. There was Greek. Hieroglyphs. For the priests. What was written on the stone? All the things Pharaoh had done. Rosetta